What's up, guys? Xavier Holmes in the game today. I'm gonna cut my sound all the way down to 0. So now we're gonna play Subway Surfers. So get ready. It's not gonna make noise cause something wrong with my sound on my phone. But let's play. I'm about that girl after this, so just be ready. Stay tuned and watch. I'm gonna try to get like, I think the goal to get like 8 keys is to get like 810 coins on the dot. So I'm gonna try to get 800. Yeah, I'm trying to get 810 on the dot. I can't get 800, but just 810. So let's go. Nope. Dang, man. I got 111. I'm gonna buy that girl after this. Now I might just save up my coins. I like to get these magnets. Oh. No, I have to use a key. Sorry for that. That's cheating, but I'm gonna have to use it. So, started a new life. I died one time. I came back alive. I lived 2 lives. That's good. Cause I don't want to die yet. Cause I ain't even get to 100 yet. I just not realized it, that I'm at like 120 something. So I'm not that good. I'm gonna try to get 810 like I said. Yeah. Let's just try to get it. Some of these parts on here, they be cheating, so that it'd be hard to get 810. But my score in this game is like 4,000 or 5,000. I know you think I'm lying, but I screenshotted it on my other phone. So y'all won't think I'm lying. Just go to Google and look up Xavier Holmes, and then I'll have it on there. I ain't gonna put it on there the first day. I gotta find it though. So yeah, my high score is like 4,000 though. So yeah, cause I'm using my Samsung now. All these coins in the sky. Hey, I gotta upgrade my jetpack so I can stay in the sky longer. I'm at 400. Keep this canoe and went off. And I just beat score. I didn't even realize it. Y'all gotta tell me now. Well, I just messed up because I just realized I'm not live. So sorry. I'm gonna probably live in like 2 videos while I'm got this YouTube channel. There's 2 videos live stream. No! I'm using key. I have to. Dang it, man. Get that jetpack. 642. I'm almost at 700. Get that? No. I'm at 724. I'm almost there. I hope if I die right now, I'm gonna cry, y'all. Cause I'm trying to get it. No! My gosh, I gotta get this. I had those keys that I just got like for my prizes. No! 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 Oh my gosh! Look at the score, man. so I was almost at 8. Take it. That's stupid, man. I don't even feel like playing no more. Cause you know you like close to something, and then still you don't even want to play no more. And I used up my keys for no reason. Man, I can't do it. And then I'm making this video probably this and show y'all that I had got it. But for now, I can't get it. So peace out, y'all.